In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Bing Chat. If you've noticed the Copilot, also known as Bing Chat, icon in Microsoft Edge and you'd like a cleaner toolbar or fewer distractions, this quick walkthrough will show you how to hide that button without changing anything else about your browser. First, open Microsoft Edge. You can use any profile. This setting applies per browser profile. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is where all your browser preferences live. On the Settings page, look at the left sidebar and select Appearance. Appearance controls how your browser looks and what shows up on your toolbar, so this is the place where the Copilot option is managed. After you click Appearance, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Copilot and Sidebar. Depending on your version of Edge, it may be a little lower on the page, so don't worry if you need to scroll past a few sections. Within that area, click Copilot under the App-Specific Settings section. This opens the controls that specifically manage the Copilot integration in Edge. Here, you'll see the option labeled Show Copilot button on the toolbar. To turn off Bing Chat on your toolbar, simply uncheck that option or toggle it off. As soon as you do, the Bing Chat or Copilot icon should disappear from the toolbar immediately. There's no need to restart the browser. A few helpful notes. This change only hides the Copilot button from the Edge toolbar. It doesn't uninstall anything or prevent you from visiting the Bing website. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same setting and turn the switch back on. Also, this setting is specific to Microsoft Edge, so it won't affect Copilot in Windows or any other apps. If your screen looks a little different, you might be on a slightly different version of Edge, but the Appearance section and the Copilot controls should still be in the same general area. On some work or school devices, administrators might lock this option. In that case, you'll need to contact your IT team. That's all it takes. Open Microsoft Edge, go to Settings, choose Appearance, scroll to Copilot and Sidebar, open Copilot under App-Specific Settings, and turn off Show Copilot button on the toolbar. Your toolbar will be cleaner, and you'll avoid opening Bing Chat by accident while keeping the option to re-enable it whenever you want. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your browsing experience.